In the last video, I have said that we don't have to define the type of variable while declaring or assigning. It will be dynamically assigned. But that doesn't mean that there are no types in Python. In Python, we have a built-in function called type. This will show the type a given reference is. I'll write a program like this. X is equal to 4.33, Y is equal to hello world, Z is equal to 33. Print type of X, print type of Y, print type of Z. Once I execute the code, we have got the output as float, string, and int respectively. These are the common types in Python. The other types which we discussed are none type, and we also discussed about function type. Python also provides the built-in functions that convert one type to another type. To explain this, let me write this piece of code. X is equal to 4, that is, X is equal to 4 in the form of string, and Y is equal to 5. I'll just print the types, so print type of X, print type of Y. As we can see the output, I have defined X as strings and variable Y as int. Now, if I try to add these two variables, I'll get the error. This is because both are of two different types. We need to remember this concept. In data science, we will be performing a lot of manipulation with the data. We have to make sure that the operation we are trying to make has the correct type for our variables. For example, for numerical values, we have the int function that takes any value and converts to an integer, if it can, or else it will provide an error. Let me give an example to illustrate this. I'll write a code like this. Here, I'll modify the existing express y like this. Int of x plus y. Once I execute the code, we now have the correct result. Now, let's look at this code. I'll define x is equal to learn, that is x as strings. Now, if I try to convert this to int, let's see what happens. So, I'll mention as int of x. If I execute the code, the system throws me the error message. So, this confirms that the system tries to convert the value to the set type only if it is possible, else it gives an error like this. We also have other inbuilt functions like float, which is used to convert a value to a float, and str function to convert to a string.